Doubling your money is simple, starting with $10. Here's the wealth building strategy no one taught you. Before we dive in, if advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for bringing you this valuable information. Now let's continue. Have you ever looked at someone who seems to have it all together financially and wondered, how do they do it? It's not about winning the lottery or having some secret family fortune. The truth is, they've mastered a simple, powerful concept that turns time into their greatest asset. It's a tool we all have access to, but most of us never learned how to use. This isn't just about saving money. It's about making your money work for you. It's about a fundamental principle of investing, a secret weapon for building passive income and achieving financial freedom. The Rule of 72, your financial compass. Let's demystify this. The Rule of 72 is a mental shortcut, a quick way to estimate how long it takes for your investment portfolio to double in value. It's an essential piece of financial literacy. The formula is simple. You take the number 72 and divide it by your anticipated annual rate of return. The result is the approximate number of years it will take for your money to double. For instance, if you have an investment earning a solid 8% return annually, you do the math. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. This means your money will double in roughly 9 years. That's a powerful number. It's a game changer. Imagine starting with a few $1,000s. In 9 years, it could be 10,000, and in another 9, 20. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term wealth-building strategy based on a solid mathematical principle. The myth of safe savings. Now, let's talk about the common misconception that a traditional savings account is the safest, most responsible place for your money. It's a comfortable idea, but it's a financial illusion. Most standard savings accounts offer a meager annual return, often less than 1%. Let's apply our rule of 72 to this scenario. 72 divided by 1 gives you 72. That means it would take you over 7 decades just to double your money. Think about that. Your money is essentially in a financial deep freeze. It's not growing, it's just sitting there. In fact, due to the silent killer of wealth, inflation, your money is actually losing purchasing power every single day. The safety of a low-interest savings account isn't really safety at all. It's a guaranteed path to stagnation. The real risk isn't in intelligent investing. The real risk is not taking any at all. The snowball effect, compounding your future. This is where the magic truly happens. It's called compound interest, and it's often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Albert Einstein is even rumored to have said it's the most powerful force in the universe. It's the concept of earning interest, not just on your initial principal, but also on the accumulated interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining mass and momentum as it goes. Let's imagine you start with an initial investment of $5,000, earning a consistent 10% annual return. First doubling. In a little over 7 years, 72 divided by 10, that $5,000 becomes $10,000. Second doubling. Now your $10,000 starts earning interest. Just a little over 7 years later, it doubles again to $20,000. Third doubling. And then it doubles again to $40,000. Do you see the acceleration? The journey from $5,000 to $10,000 felt like a long walk. The journey from $20,000 to $40,000 felt like a jog. And the journey from $40,000 to $80,000 feels like a sprint. This is the snowball effect in action. It's the power of time working on your behalf, turning small, consistent contributions into a significant net worth. This isn't just about accumulating money. It's about creating a machine that generates passive income for you. The high cost of waiting. Many of us fall into a trap thinking, I'll start investing when I have more money, or I'll save when I'm earning a higher salary. This is a costly delay, and it's a decision that will cost you more than you can imagine. Consider two individuals with similar salaries and lifestyles. One starts investing a small amount, say $50 a month, in a low-cost index fund in their 20s. The other, convinced they need more money to invest, waits a decade, then starts investing double the amount, $100 a month. You might think the person who invests more will catch up, but they won't. They've lost the most valuable asset in their financial planning journey: time. That first decade of compound growth is a rocket booster for your portfolio. The person who started early, even with a small amount, has a massive head start. That's a lesson we all need to internalize. Time is your greatest wealth hack. The money you invest today has more potential to grow than the money you invest tomorrow, because it has more time to compound. Overcoming the hidden barriers. So if the rule of 72 is so simple and powerful, why isn't everyone doing it? Because there are hidden barriers that stop most people from starting. Fear of losing money. The stock market can feel intimidating. But the solution isn't to avoid it, it's to educate yourself. Start with simple, diversified options like low-cost index funds, which spread your risk across hundreds or thousands of companies. Lack of knowledge. You don't need a finance degree to start. The internet is a treasure trove of information. Start with a free tutorial on what an index fund is. It's an investment in your future self. Waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment never comes. Life will always throw something at you. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Inflation. We touched on this earlier. If your money isn't growing at a rate faster than inflation, you're actually getting poorer. The rule of 72, when applied to solid investments, is your best defense against this silent thief. The blueprint for financial independence. Achieving financial independence isn't about massive windfalls. It's about a change in mindset, a rewiring of your brain. It's about making a few simple, powerful choices. Educate yourself. Dedicate a few hours to understanding the basics of investing. Invest consistently. Automation is your friend. Set up an automatic transfer of even a small amount, $10 or $25, into a low-cost investment account every month. You won't miss it, and over time, it will become a powerful force. Start now. Don't wait for a raise, a bonus, or some mythical extra cash. Start small, start imperfectly, but start. Your financial future is not a matter of luck. It's a matter of choice. It's the difference between chasing a paycheck for your entire life and building a future where your money works for you. The rule of 72 isn't a trick. It's a mathematical fact. It's a roadmap to early retirement and generational wealth. What is one small step you can take today? Maybe it's setting aside $5. Maybe it's watching one more educational video. Whatever it is, start. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you. Call to action. If this video sparked something in you, hit the like button to let us know. Share this with a friend who needs this nudge. And in the comments below, tell us, what's one financial step you're going to take this week? We're rooting for you. Subscribe for more practical tips to grow your life and your wealth. Disclaimer: this video is for equipping, educating, and empowering and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Your financial well-being is paramount.